How to order a new Venmo card in 2023. My name is Ali and I will walk you through on how to order a new Venmo card. It's not something difficult at all. It's so easy, just some simple steps that you need to follow and you're gonna be able to order a new Venmo card, okay? So just follow the steps that I'm gonna show you in this video and you're gonna be able to do it. So the first thing that we need to do so we can order a new Venmo card is to go to your phone and open Venmo app, okay? After opening Venmo app, what you need to do is to go and click on Venmo card, okay? You're gonna find it here. You just need to click on Venmo card. Okay, after clicking on Venmo card, you're gonna find these pages. You just need to skip these pages, skipping them. And in the last page, you just need to click on get a Venmo card, okay? Okay, and here you need to choose the color of the card that you want, okay? After choosing the color, just click on next, and after clicking on it, they're gonna ask you about your legal name. You just need to enter your legal name, and after entering your legal name and clicking on next, they're gonna ask you about a quick security check. So the first thing that you need to enter is your last four of social security number and then the date of your birth, okay? And after click on next, but before you just need to turn on that you have read and agree to the terms of Venmo, okay? And then next, and then you need to enter the address, okay? And after doing this, just click on next. And then they said shop confidently with automatic reloads. So for me, I will turn it off. I won't use it, so I will turn off reload automatically. Okay, and next, and like this, I just need to click on submit, and I'm gonna like this order my Venmo card, and I will just wait for it until it arrives to my address, and then I will need to activate it, but after I receive the card from Venmo, okay? As I told you, it's not something difficult at all. It's so easy, just some simple steps that you need to follow and you're gonna be able to order a new Venmo card. That would be it, and I will see you in the next video.